Hello and welcome back to another episode of Mini Daily, and on today's episode we're on to something that is behind us. We haven't seen in a while on the channel because I have been flat out. So without further ado, we'll take us in on this front wing, we'll get it all ground back, we'll grind out we'll cut out the rotted sections and we'll make up some templates. I'm not going to show welding today. The reason being is my welder isn't in the shed at the minute, it's locked in another shed and I've no access to it at the minute. So it'll just be making the panels. So I'll stop rabbiting on and we'll get to it. Right, so as we can see, this inner wing is fairly piss poor. It's gone all there, it's gone all here, gone there, it's gone down there. It's all solid in here, but there's some sort of, I don't know what you'd call that. I don't know what that's holding. There's some sort of that there. Now, there's, oh God, there's a load of filler here. That inner wing is completely trash. I'm gonna have to cut that off and start again. I thought I'd be able to rescue it, but I do apologise for the flickering. It's them LED lights. That is gone. Let's get the screwdriver of truth and have a go at it. Right, we have the screwdriver of truth, and I don't think we even need it, but look at there. The only savable part really is that, but the amount of work that would the amount of work that would take just to save that piece, it's not worth it. This needs an entire new front wing. Now, I even thought it might be okay here. That's gone through. That's all filler. So, I don't know why that's there. I did have a look the other side, and I cannot figure out why that is there. So, what we'll do today is we shall cut all this out. Not looking forward to doing that, but my advice would be to leave the bonnet on. Reason being, when that closes down nicely here. Closes down nicely here. So we'll be able to get that edge and keep it straight. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this bit. So I'm going to cut along here, down to there. And this is spot welded along here. You see, this is all pushed and distorted as well, so it's going to be very hard to make it back up. Now, the only thing is that's only a bump stop. That's just stops that hitting that. That's all that does. So hopefully you can see that's all pushed up there. Okay, yeah, I've copped it. Great. That's all split there. That's why that's there. It's to stop it splitting more. Great. It looks like a simple patch job is going to turn out to be an absolute pain in the hole. Now, on the plus side, we can probably save the bottom of this, but if you look in there, there is nothing of that underneath. And the effing inner wing is gone as well. Okay, well, the car can be saved. Can I do it? Yeah. Do I want to do it? Hell yeah. It's another Morris saved. So, right, I think game plan is get the grinder out, shut up, and get. Right. Your defenders are on. I'm going to put you on time lapse because I want to listen to some tunes when I'm doing this. Although I can't really hear it with the ear defenders. Right, so it's a bulk of a cut. I'm just looking, should be able to make this up in a couple of sections. this being 1, this roughly being 2. I'll try and beat that back down because that doesn't look right. And then I've made this section before, it's handy enough to make up. So what you do is you get rid of the bulk first and then you start picking at the rest. So hopefully we get this out. That didn't want to come off. Hey! Now, there's 3 rusty bits out of the way. So what have we got in here? An inner kidney dish here. That's obviously the inside of the car that's hidden behind the panel. But this here, on the other surface, a lot of surface, it seems to be okay. So what I want to do is, I want to get this all rust treated in behind here. And I want to repair, you can't see it on camera there, I'm just going to bring this down. Apologise for the weird angle. Now, I don't know if you can see it in here, but that's going to have to be repaired first and then build it back out. What we'll do is we'll cut the bottom of that flush as well, and that's the only repairs there. And then what we'll do is we'll make up this section, we'll hammer this back flat, and apologies now, we'll hammer this back flat and we'll get this in cure rust. It'll only take me a couple of seconds. I'll just put something behind it as a dolly and just straighten it up. So what we want to do when we're putting it back on is we want to tack it obviously to the inner wing. It'll stop it vibrating, and then we're up to this. So what I'm going to do is, when that is in, I'll cut this section out and I'll make up this section and put it into it. And what I'm doing there, I'll hit this back down and I'll weld up here because there's a big crack in it, and I'll repair that and then get this section in and then do down here. Now, I am making up my panels, but what I'm going to do is I am going to put riv nuts in here instead of these captive nuts. It's a hell of a lot easier. Yes, the purists will be shouting and saying, oh, it's a whatever thread, it should be X, Y, and Z. The car's going back on the road. You know, she's sick as it is, she's borderline scrapping, but we want to save it and we want to do it for as tight a budget as possible for the owner. So the best thing to do is the cheapest, safest way. So without further ado, wrapping, we'll get this all cleared up and cure rusted, we'll get this cut out and we'll get the patch panel ready to be welded in for that. Then we'll call it a day. But we're back on the morrows. Just realised it was a really long time out there. So what we'll do now is we'll get that done. I'm really sure there's a bolt there as well. So what I'll do is I'll grind that off and see what the situation is in behind it. And then we'll get this in cure rust and then we'll call it a day. I'm none the wiser what's in there. Check the far side, John. Check the far side. And the bolt is further down. As for what that is, I don't know. It's staying like that. So what we'll do is we'll let the old cure rust and we'll do a bit of paint. Right, can't find the paintbrush, so I'm just using this. Now, that's not what's in it. There's cure rust in it, but a good mate of mine, Danny Hanley, told me to put it in a spray bottle that goes on much easier and it can get in better places. So we'll give it a go, Dan, and see. I'll rub that in with a rag. And then it works. Right, what do we think, guys? Where should I go next? My plan, I think, is to paint this and cut that section out there and try and see if I can get a welder in, because it is very tight in there, and try and make this back up and that. More things to list. Tap this back and then make this panel here. What way would you do it? Let me know. If you like this video, there's a button down there. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share it. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It costs nothing and you get to see updates on this old girl. Coming next this week will either be fitting the quarter panel onto the MPI or we'll rip the cylinder head off the Mark II Golf. I'm going to let you decide. Get down in the comments. Let me know what I'm getting my arse into tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Catch us in the next one.